Hi, in this video we're diving into our powerful formula builder, which lets you manipulate data across resources and collections, enhance page interactions, and streamline workflows and automations. Let's get started with some practical examples. First, let's see how to create a calculated field in a collection. Go to your collection, click on New Column, and choose Add a Computed Field. In this example, I'm going to combine first the last name into just one column. After clicking on the function button, start typing in concate for concatenate. Click on the formula on the left and select the first name. Now add comma, quotes, spacebar, quotes, comma, and choose the last name. Now let's click on Save, and that's pretty much it for the first formula. Our table contains a virtual column with a full name that can be used in components of the page. For the second example, I want to enhance a page by dynamically changing the text. Click the function button on the toolbar to start typing the formula. I want to create a dynamic greeting on our page that not only welcomes users by their name, but also adjusts the message depending on the time of day. It's going to contain three functions inside each other. So if, our, now, less than 12, comma, good morning, in quotes. Meaning, if the current hour of the day from now less than 12, then good morning. And else, another if, same thing, hour, now, less than 18, good afternoon. And we can add another comma. So if none of those conditions are met, then this is evening. So good evening. So that's the second part of the formula that we're going to build. So let's copy this and keep it in the clipboard for now. For the main formula, I'm going to be using format function to construct our greeting. So beginning with typing format, here's our template, hello, brackets 0, comma, brackets 1. So I essentially have my format template. Now I'm just gonna go place a comma and select the first one, which is the first name of the user. And the second one is the formula that we already built. As you can see, everything works as intended. I'll put the formula into the description of the video so that you can take a look at it yourself. For the third example, let's take a look at the workflows. Here I have an e-commerce template that has a feature of providing discount coupons. So let's try to incorporate some formulas into the coupon creation workflow so that each time a new coupon for the first time ever was created, I'm going to send an email to our sales guy. Some of this example data already has coupons, so this is great. Let's choose any order that doesn't have any coupons just yet. So this one is perfect. Now, this button Generate Coupon has a workflow already. The first step generates universally unique identifier, which is getting saved into the database, and table is getting updated and the variable is being used. So nonetheless, let's create a yes or no condition as a next step. And to get the data for the condition itself, I want to create a new SQL query. So this SQL query will basically check how much coupons already exist for this particular client. Select parenthesis asterisk from coupon codes where user ID, customer ID exactly, equals, and let's insert a new input and put it into the SQL code. Testing with any customer ID seems to be working great, so let's save it. I'm going to check whether or not the result of this SQL is equals to 0, meaning there is no coupons whatsoever. Now I want to click on test the previous step to get the result. And let's double check that the operation result, item number 1, counts. That's what we want. Comma 0. Done. Let's also name this properly. So first ever coupon. And if yes, I want to first create a notification. For the notification title, I'm going to type in this is first coupon. And for the description, instructions to follow up, the customer were sent on your email. Great. So let's actually send an email. So run operation, app built-ins, and send email. I'm gonna hard code the email by using the email of the same user that is using the platform. Now the subject should be new first coupon issued. I can also add text and format it with HTML, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm just gonna have a placeholder here. Right, now let's save it and test it. I'm gonna click on the preview and let's select the same order, go to discount, select the discount amount and click on generate coupon. As we can see, we have our notification, meaning everything works. And just for a good measure, let's select another order with a customer that had coupons in the past, click on generate, and we don't have any notifications, meaning everything works. Now you're ready to dive deep into the formula building yourself. I'm gonna leave out the second example formula in the comments so you can check it yourself, since it's gonna work on basically any project in JetAdmin. And let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video.